Happy Friday. So today we're gonna talk a little bit about our bagging stations. So these here are super sack, basically super sack fillers. And I have one set up, and these are all, I think we have 14 or so that are going to a large battery project that we're working on. So we're gonna go over this one here and how it works, and we'll go from there. So, all right, so here it is. So the concept behind this is that we want to be able to fill a super sack or a big bag, and we want to be able to do it. There's actually a scale that goes underneath this, and here's the scale head right here. So once it reaches the desired weight, the airlock and the auger will stop, and this orange light will turn on. And because of the capacity of the hopper above, it gives you time to remove this bag. So this here is an inflatable bladder, and the neck of the bag sits over this. So you put the neck of the bag over this and you inflate it, and we have our right here, and then you can deflate it. So this inflate, deflate. So inflate, hold. So this is just in filled position, and then deflate. And I think it's 4 PSI or so, so it doesn't take much air. And then we have, when you're pulling the bag off here, off of it, you have a connection to your bag house, and this takes just 100 CFM or so. It just takes that brush of dust. So if you're doing something powdery, black mass, or something like that. So here we have a sample spoon, and this here is to get a sample out of the stream. So you get a sample out without having to open this up or put your hands inside. And then right here we have this little holder for the block. So this is what would be in it normally. And then if you want to get a sample, you grab the other block and put it in. So this is a quick rundown of this. We got a lot that we've actually built, a lot of these units, and we're building a lot more. You can see all the ones over there. And here's the process here. So we're in the process of building a lot more. So they're heavy duty gearbox, auger inside, and then there's this steel paddle above the airlock. So the airlock is going to be below here. So as the material is coming in to this point here, this just moves the material around. And then when we pause the device, the system, this auger stops and the airlock stops, so you don't have material falling down. And this here is the final product, minus the scale. There's no scale here right now, but you get the idea. So that's the finished setup there. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Happy Friday.